Okay guys, so welcome to the full tutorial about the strategy and the formula that we use to catch pink. Of course, we're going to be targeting two odds when it comes to the formula, but I want you guys to understand how to use this table first. So what is this table for? On this table, you're gonna have to be putting your stake at the top there where it says 1.8. So for example, my stake right now is around 47,000, and then I press enter. Now it has split 47,000 for me into 7 sections, right? As you can see right there, it's tweaking a little bit, but look at the investment amount. It means my first bet should be 282, my second bet should be 564, my third bet should be 1,200. So that's if I have a spot where a pink is predicted, right? So usually what I do is when I'm betting, for example, it's say 200 and something, right? On top I put 200. At the bottom I put, let's say it said 250. I put the 50 right there. So this means my first trade is gonna be 250. The second trade is gonna be maybe 450 at the top and maybe 400 at the top and 100 at the bottom. So I'm just doubling the numbers, you know what I'm saying? I'm just doubling the numbers if I'm losing. When I win, I chill and I wait for the next prediction. That's how you play. So like right now, if I was expecting a pink prediction, I would start betting right now. Let's say I'm expecting a pink prediction at 15-16, you know? So right now I would start betting. But then since I'm not expecting a prediction right now, I'm not going to demonstrate it. You know what I'm saying? And I feel like this hour is like a bad hour. It's not bringing out any pinks at all. This one came in like the last hour, so I'm not the type to bet when I'm not feeling safe to do it. I advise that you do the same. So it's giving out a lot of tools right now, but you just can't trust it and keep playing. You have to wait for your own sign. So for me, the sign is when it has given me the blues, guys. You know what I'm saying? Let me show you a screenshot. This is a screenshot of the best time to bet, guys. Do you see it? It has given you 3 1.1s. This is how you know that you're gonna get a 2 in the next round, which is what we're targeting, right? So you place your first bet, you wait to cash out at 2. If you don't win, you place another bet. But usually when it happens like that, it's gonna give you a purple or a pink, you know what I'm saying? So that's the best time to start betting, to start following that table. So put your stake on top of that table and know what your first bet is, your second bet, your third bet. Don't just stake everything on your first bet, because we want you to be catching pinks in scenarios like this. So in a scenario like this, if you are playing my strategy, you'll be able to bet on top. You bet at 200 if you have a stake like mine. At the bottom you have a 50 kwacha. You let the 50 kwacha run for every time that I've predicted a pink, you know what I'm saying? So that's how you play it, guys. That is how you use the strategy, and I'll send you that formula so that you can use it to spread your stake, and you should know the amounts that you want to make. Make sure you are chasing twos and you're also chasing pinks at the bottom.